Hi everyone, today's video tutorial will show you how to create a group email in Gmail. Open your Gmail account and ensure you are logged in. Tap on the multiple dots at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the contact option. Once it's opened, you click on the label icon on the left side. Click on the plus icon to create a label name. So give your group a name. Click on save. Now you can see that the group has been created. You can see it is empty. Now to add the contacts to your group, you click on the contact icon to open it. You scroll through the contact you want to add. You click on the three dots beside the contact name. Then you select the name of the group. Now, this contact has been added to your group, and when you check on the group, you can find the contact in it. You can add as many contacts as you want, and to remove the contact from the group, you click on the three icon beside the contact. You can remove from the group and from the label. So that is, guys, that is how you create a group email in Gmail. I hope you like this video and find it informative. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful content. Bye guys.